But tonight, there's a do-on at Harry and Tash's place. And guess who's coming to dinner?
The winners and grinners dinner tonight, we are expecting the whole shebang. All Harry does is talk about food, doesn't he?
He does love
He loves food, so I can guarantee this is going to be good food.
Oi, when are we eating?
7, Scotty.
You said 6:30. It's 25 past 6.
This is a Greek 6:30. It's 7 o'clock. They're never early.
Headed over to Harry and Tash's for the winners and grinners and walked in and seen Harry's wife there.
Hello, how you going? Good.
Oh, my God, what is that?
That is cake. I hope you're hungry.
Now, Scott, can I make a statement, though? We're the only contestants that actually have cooked for our guests.
Harry, you haven't done any cooking. Are you serious, mate?
What are you talking about?
Harry's wife cooked the dinner, Andrea.
She's so lovely. She's probably one of the beautifulest women I've ever seen in my life.
Classic
I don't know
Harry.
how Harry got her.
You're actually the only contestants that haven't cooked.
Harry hasn't done stuff all again.
He showed up.
What I did, I actually showed up.
While Andrea is cutting up this magnificent meal that she prepared wholly and heartedly with no help from these two, and I'm referring to dirty, rotten mongrel Harry. I should mention that Luke and Jasmine aren't here, but they're busy. They've got a console on at the moment. It's not because they dislike Harry or Tash, or they don't like his painting. So, speech, please.
We're just happy to entertain you guys in this magnificent space and enjoy a lovely Greek delight that my wife, Andrea, has cooked for you all.
Thank you, Andrea.
Winners and grinners dinner was really lovely.
This is delicious, Andrea.
Yum, it's beautiful. It was so
Very
good.
good.
It was so beautiful. What was it
delicious.
called? Moussaka?
Andrea, can I get this recipe, please?
Can I have the Mustang?
No, you can't have the Mustang, but I really want the recipe.
You can have the recipe, yes, of course.
Well, I didn't even know what moussaka was, and now I do.
Looks good, looks good.
Well, there was no freaking meat in one moussaka either because it was a freaking vegetarian. I found out later on.
Did you eat the vegetarian one?
I didn't know there was bloody
that's
different
funny.
ones up there, did I? And I was
Yeah.
wondering what the hell I was eating there at one stage, but anyway.
All right, well, thank you very much for dinner. Winners and grinners, you beauty. Thank you, dirty, rotten mongrel Harry.
Thanks, Scotty.
And thank you, Tash. And thank you, Andrea. Thank you. Bye.
Beautiful. Wine, beer.
It was really nice. We don't get to do that barely ever, so it's nice to have these. These winners and grinners dinners are actually great.